Malacanang is not bothered by the dip in the president's satisfaction rating. From excellent, the president's rating in the latest SWS survey dropped to the very good territory. The palace says despite this, the chief executive still has the support of the majority of Filipinos, thanking them for their sustained belief and trust in the president's leadership. More from Rocky Ignacio.
Malacanang downplays the slight slip of President Aquino's satisfaction ratings in the latest SWS survey. Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valtes said the December survey shows that majority of the Filipinos still supports the leadership. President Aquino maintains from excellent to still very good satisfaction ratings.
That's something that we do look at, and we think that it still shows that the President enjoys margin of support among the people. And that's nothing to cry about, JB. An excellent to a very good is still something to show for.
In the SWS survey conducted last December 8 to 11, President Aquino posted positive 55 net satisfaction ratings, or 72% of the Filipinos are satisfied to the leadership. The President got positive 67 net satisfaction rating, or 77% last August this year. Meanwhile, optimism among Filipinos for a better 2013 are still high. Valtes explained despite minimal dip from 95 to 92%, New Year hope is hardly changed. The survey conducted during the onslaught of Super Typhoon Pablo in Mindanao, but Malacanang reassured typhoon victims that the government will implement permanent solutions to mitigate impact of calamities.
Yung sa Mindanao, that's understandable. They're going through a very tough time, and that is highly understandable, at least on the part of the government. And also for kung 95 from last year to 92, I would imagine 3% yung error of margin. So essentially,
meanwhile, Malacanang appealed to the public to refrain from using banned fireworks in celebrating the New Year.
Hopefully, let's keep it that way. Let's keep it down. Please watch your children. Huwag ho nating hayaang magpaputok ng yung mga piccolo. Marami hong mga list of banned fireworks. Please, let us keep a very tight watch on our children kasi kawawa naman po yan. But nonetheless, the DOH and our public hospitals are very well prepared for what we hope to be minimal cases of fireworks related injuries. Hindi naman po kami nananakot, pero nakalabas na ho yung mga pangkat at yung mga kailangan po nila just in case may mga injuries po na pumasok. And hopefully again, we reiterate our appeal to parents, please watch your children. We hope that we celebrate New Year with if not zero number of injuries, with a very, very minimal number of injuries.
For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.